Hello there. The drone I received from GearBest reached today. An opening box. Welcome. This drone is D8 Wi-Fi FPV floatable RC drone. RTF altitude hold wide with 5 megapixel camera. Yeah. Now D8 drone floatable quadcopter. This package is nice. Two choice, black and white. I choose white. And commander with your phone. Yes, this is drone. Okay, open box. Nice. There, what is inside? The package inside is condensed one. Oh. Wow, very nice. One RC drone, battery included. Fixed? Yeah, battery included. Okay. Nice. And mini. Open. Yes. Oh. This back side and the front side. This camera, 5 megapixel camera with HD cam. Remote. And open. Yes. Nice. Continue. And remote control with 3 battery, 2 antenna and 1 hold. Oh, good. Yes. Fix it. Yes. Okay. What the size? Right is 20 minutes flying time. Equipped with Wi-Fi camera which transmits the video the real time. With the air press altitude hold positioning the system, the flight is more stable, burning clear photos. You can connect VR glasses, not included, to enjoy the different FPV flight. Another right is take a photo just by one gesture without complex operation. 1K and picture. Yeah. The G sensor mode is a control the flying direction by tiling your mobile phone, and the player can plan a flight line on the application interface. Yeah, headless mode, 360 degree flip out. Yes, that is good. 20 minutes, the flying time is about 20 minutes. Charging time is 3 hours. And yes, G sensor control, gesture shooting, VR mode is good. Headless mode, 1K return, 1K takeoff and landing, aerobatic flight, height 10 meters second, middle 7 meter second, and low speed is 4 minutes second. Yes. Try again. Last time, try again. It's okay. Is it good? Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. There's a one. There's a two. Bye. Okay. Bye.